Welcome back, viewers. We really appreciate you being here. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and hit that little bell so you don't miss anything exciting. The next vehicle could be your favorite vehicle, or your friend's vehicle, or even your own vehicle. Here's your rare sneak peek at a build still under construction by Vaughns Hot Rods, a 1956 Chevy Bel Air.
Bienvenida a nuestra página. Si a tú le gustan los autos tanto como nosotros, queda acá y ver los bellos carros desde World of Wheels 2018. Muchas gracias y hasta luego. Ciao.
Here are a few more of the great vehicles and people at the 2018 World of Wheels.
Pony cars, pony cars.
videos.
Gracias por ver nuestros videos.
If you've watched many of our videos, you'll notice we do a wide variety of vehicles.
Si usted lo vio algunos de nosotros videos, tú sabes que nosotros haga un montón de diferentes tipos de carros.
If you want us to film your vehicle, please let us know in the comments below.
Si usted le gusta nosotros filmar tu auto, por favor, deja tu comentario ahí abajo.
Thank you for visiting my page, Saneauto, where you can see all of these fine vehicles and many more.
Inscribirse. Gracias.
Ciao.
Bye bye. Here's Victor to tell you about the wonderful vehicle in this video. Aquí está Victor para decirte todo sobre este maravilloso auto en el video.
Today's featured vehicle is a...
Shelby.
Today's featured vehicle...
Supercharged Shelby.
Today's...
Oh. And here's Victor to tell us about the wonderful vehicle in this